Hey guys, it's Hubbund here, and welcome back to Thrive Island. I'm sorry for my last video. No sound came out because my headphones weren't working. But no, I actually have them fixed. I actually am using my headphones right now. Another thing I wanted to say. This is going to be a new series. I am replacing it with Murder Portable because, quite frankly, I didn't want to do two games from the same company, and also it was taking up a lot of stuff on my phone. And last video I left off to where I had like all my walls left to put up. While I did some work while I wasn't playing, and I put up all the walls except for two. I was gathering wood for that before I had to do a couple of things. But yeah. As you can see over there in the distance, my house, I was working on it, and thank God that bear doesn't see me. But the one thing that, okay, so I've played this game before, and they've added a lot to this. I mean, a lot. Last I played, all you had was a pair of clothing. You could only build a pair of clothing. They haven't built an end game yet, but they will. Once they bring up multiplayer, they will throw it out there, because they're so the actual game developer for this is a close friend of mine on Twitter and Facebook. I actually helped him build this game. Like, when he first threw it out there, I was like one of the first people to play it. So me and him are like extremely close. So yeah. He said he wants me to help him actually put out there he wants me to help him put out the multiplayer. The main reason was because he doesn't think he can actually do it on his own, because of the fact that he's been really busy lately. But okay, I think I have enough, so interact. Okay, so let me build 2 more walls. Okay, so yeah, I am also going to be the first person to get the full version of the game. I can actually share it out with you guys. Once like he throws out the full version, he will actually allow me to have a couple of people actually be able to send out there. Like, I can send out 5 copies of the full version to 5 people. So I'm happy about that. But the one thing I am worried about is so here's the thing. Okay, I forgot what I was about to say. But, also, I'm going to put up 2 videos today. It's gonna be this one and Death Run, because, quite frankly, I need to catch up on my Death Run, because I know it's been a minute since I've done Death Run. I've noticed that. My favorite thing about the game, there's almost no fall damage. I took that out for a reason. Why? Oh, I think I took out the coal for this. Oh wait, I need 3. Okay. I want it up here. Please, can I have it up here? May I please have it up here? Please. Please. No, I don't get it. What do I need? What do I need to be able to... What is this? That's a low wall. And that's a wall. So I was building the walls. I don't get it. One door wall. No, forget about it. Oh, I'll figure it out. Let's see. Okay. Now, in this episode, I wanted to go into the cave and do some mining. Oh, I just realized I had this out still. Okay, let's pull that out. No, I need it. Here, can I interact? No, not punch, interact. Hello, interact. Thank you. Is the bear still down there? He is. Crap. Okay. I know how to do this. I've done this before, so I would come up here and I would jump across the rocks until I reached the cave entrance. And I just jump down and enter. Oh, I forgot you took fall damage. You take fall damage from extremely high places. I'll actually be right back. Okay, I am back. Sorry about that. By the way, I really have to rush in here because in here, as you can see, the yellow bar is going down. That is because, in here, it's, like, deadly. so I really have to be careful. I have to watch my radiation, and if it gets down to 0, I'll start losing health. Quite frankly, I don't want that. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I just realized that my recording was paused. I am so sorry. Oh my god, I feel like such an idiot now. I'm chasing a deer right now. Actually, let me see something. I think you can make bows. I'm not sure. Can you? Yeah, you can make a bow. I need your horn. That's why I was chasing after this, because I need its horn so I can make a bow so I don't have to waste my time chasing after it. Actually, hang on. Oh. I need a string. How do I make string? One animal. I left all my animal hides. Freaking. Oh, whatever. What is this? To be honest with you, I've never been over here before. So I think it is. It is. Ooh. It's a wolf. Hey, Wolfie. How you doing? You don't have any blizzards? Okay. At least my health is regen. Bam. With 1 heart left. Oh my god. Oh, freaking hell. Okay, 1 string. Take. Okay, now I can make that bow. You know, let me just move this over here. Get in the way. Okay, let's see. 1 bow, 1 feather, 1. God damn it. Oh my god, I need to forget. Is that another deer? It is. There's a boar. I don't think I'm ready for boars right now. Oh god. Oh god, run. See, this is why I like having my stamina so high. Seriously have to do that. Oh, 2 hearts. 1 animal life, 1 bone shard. There's nothing here. Okay. I saw a rabbit down here. I'm gonna kill it. Hi, bunny. And that's it. Okay. Gonna check out this right here. I'm hungry. Okay. And thirsty. I've never been to the top of the mountain before. I wonder, can you actually get to the top? Let's see if you can actually get to the top. Because if you could, that would just be awesome. Yes, I'm jumping with you, Stag. I actually may be able to. It's awesome. Oops, sorry about that. Almost there. I am king of this island. But yeah, that's the volcano island right over there. See, like I said, 4 islands. One over there, the one I'm standing on now, the one over there, and the volcano island. Okay, I'm gonna head back down the mountain to my home. I don't care. What is going on? Okay, you done that? Maybe not. Let me just walk down this mountain, please. Or should I run down the mountain? I can see my little fire off in the distance. See? Oh my god, I don't care about Candy Crush. I never liked it and I never will. I know some of y'all might have actually liked Candy Crush in the past. But like, I was never into it. I thought it was just stupid. Okay. I'm home. Did you miss me? Jesus. There's a lot of animals over here. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm gonna move you here, and I'll move you here. I need to cook myself. Please be careful. I don't want it burning. Ugh. See, this is what the hell? Oh God! No! No! Jump! Run! No! Interact! No, I'm stuck! I'm glitched! Oh God, I'm gonna die. I'm freaking glitched in the door and I'm gonna die. Freaking wolf. Freaking glitched me in the freaking door. Frick me. Believe I spawn with everything. Unless it's like Minecraft. Okay, I spawned with everything. Oh, I'm spawned new. I'm over there though. On that island. I'm just gonna gather a few things first. Oh, I forgot that there's kettles over here. This is cattle land. Oh my God. Okay. Let me head on back to my house. Where I'm guessing that wolf is waiting for me. Stop it with the freaking hats. Is that chicken? I believe it is. Hey, hello there, Mr. Chicken Chip. It seriously gave me no. First things first, I do not need those. Okay, that was doing that. Oh God, I need everything else. Stick. I'll make sticks. God. I don't even need these, so. Yeah. Okay, let's take the sticks. I don't actually have a reason to have a bow. Yeah. Well, once I get back to my house, I'm gonna leave that episode because we've been going with this for 31 minutes. So once I get to where I need to be, just to make sure that it works. Oh, I forgot you have to pull it back. Oh my gosh, it literally freaking levels up your hunting like so fast. Oh god, is the wolf still there? Seriously? No. My door's even closed. Oh, how nice. Please tell me it's that. You know it. Please. I swear he's make this here. Because this is just annoying. Oh god, no, I don't want to punch it. There. Okay. Oh. I'll actually take all of these. I can store you. Wait, no. Store you. I'll take that stuff. Store. Okay. Now, let's make some more arrows. Tools. Let's see, what do I need to make a bed? Oh, I can make a water skin. Okay. Okay. So it looks like bear would be the best. So, well, I'm gonna leave this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.